Hi, I'm Rob. I've been coming to these raids ever since they started in wherever it was, about 2013 or 14. I used to have a big boat, a BC-23. In fact, mine was number 10, and I sailed around Britain over 3 years. But these are good fun. The people are more or less the same sometimes. Sometimes new ones turn up. And now I've got a very small boat, and we sort of trundle along at the back all the time. Well, they're from an observer's point of view at the back, they're quite interesting. There's quite obviously some really keen people who are competing both at the start line and the finish line. And Matt always sends, well, Matt seems to set interesting courses. I'm not sure it's his profession, but he certainly seems to set good courses. And yeah, they're good fun.
Heading south, round Pendennis Point. You need to leave that to starboard, yeah. The next prize goes to the guy sailing the smallest boat, and probably, adjusted for waterline length, has probably done more miles than all of us. So that is to Rob Johnstone.
Well, I've got a special. It's a lug rig boat. It's only got a single sail, and I built it to plans that Matt provided for me.
Ah, so you're the owner of Lockdown.
Yes, it's called Lockdown because I built it during lockdown.
There's a lot of interest in that boat, actually.
Kept me sane. Is there really?
Yeah, a lot of people are kind of asking.
Can we have one?
Yeah, can we have one?
And Matt said no, he can't.
Yeah.
That's right.
It's a one-off for a friend.
One off only, is it?
Yeah, one off for a friend.
Yeah.
No, he didn't. Matt used. Don't forget, the Swallow started out building kit boats. Matt's dad started the company building kits. Anyway, so Matt said Matt didn't want to do them because of exactly that problem, the amount of sort of effort he has to make to try and help them doing it. So I offered actually to be a support person, but he didn't want to do that either. So it took me. I built it. I collected the bits in just before lockdown and spent most of lockdown in the cowshed building it. And if you want to find out about it, you can go and look at Riff Raff All at Sea, and you'll find a blog about it. It's some of the roughest seas we've had, I think, in terms of. There was one year when the road was really blown out, but this year we've been able to sail every day. We haven't had to go to the Eden project to waste our time. So it's been quite good. No, there's a lot of boats about. It's pleasing to see a large number of BayCruiser 23s actually, because it seems to be now one of his more popular boats. Whereas 10 years ago, the Raiders were the popular ones. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Down in the cowshed building it. And if you want to find out about it, you can go and look at Riff Raff All at Sea, and you'll find a blog about it.